Good morning, children. Welcome to online class of St. Joseph Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. Children, after half yearly, we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter 11, Lines and Shapes. This video is for class 3rd. I am Vijay Lakshmi Naudiyal and I am going to teach you maths. So let's begin with this. Now, children, before telling you different kinds of lines, first I would like to ask you, what is a point? So you know that if you should see a sheet of paper, so its sides meet at corners. The sides have some length which you can measure also, but corners have no length. They just show the positions where the sides meet. So we can say the corners are points. So basically points gives a position. It doesn't have length or thickness. Now, as I said about lines, now what are lines? When the tip of your pencil moves across paper, it moves along a line. And there can be many kinds of line. You can see here straight line, zigzag line, wavy line, loopy line, thin line, thick line, broken line. Now, so we can say that if it is a straight line like this, we can say the lines can be horizontal or vertical. If it is, slanting one, little bit tilted one. So if a straight line is a tilted one, that is a slanting line. And you can see here the curved lines or the wavy lines. So these are different kinds of line. Now, what is a line segment, children? See, in case of line segment, the part of a straight line between 2 points. Suppose, see this first figure, if it has 2 points at the corners, so that is called as a line segment. Segment means part. Okay. Now, line segment is having, 2 points. Whereas in case of a line, it can extend from both the sides. So this is a difference. And only one straight line can be passed through 2 points. If it is having 2 points, only one straight line can pass through. But if you want to draw many curved lines, you can draw many curved lines between 2 points. Now children, see this flat shapes. Huh? 4 kinds of flat shapes are given in your book. The first one is a square. What is a square? A square has 4 sides. You can see here. And it has 4 corners. One this, second this, third this, and fourth. So 4 corners and all the sides of square are equal. Now the next one is rectangle. You can see here. It also has 4 sides and 4 corners. But the difference between a square and a rectangle is that the sides of rectangle, all of them are not equal. Only opposite sides of they are equal. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Whereas in case of square, all the sides are equal. The third one is triangle. Now triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. 3 corners. Okay. So this is a triangle. Now triangle also can be of many types. So that you will learn later on. The last one is circle, or you can say oval also. They don't have any sides and they don't have any corners also. So circle and ovals have no sides and no corners. Now children, we are going to discuss about solid shapes or a solid figure. A solid figure is a three-dimensional figure. Three-dimensional means that the figure has measures in the 3 direction. They are having length, width and height. So there are different kinds of solid shapes we are going to discuss. Let us see. Now see these common 3D shapes. The first one is a sphere, second is cylinder, then cuboid, then cone, and last is cube. So these are common 3D shapes. So we will discuss one by one about their characteristics also. Now see this picture children, 3D shape picture. This shape is of a cube. Now, example of cube is a dice, a sugar cube, or ice cube also. So when you roll a dice, you want the face with 6 to come up. So solid shape have flat or curved face. That faces, these are called as surfaces. These all are called as surfaces. So now you can see here, these are, this one is your edge, a line where two faces meet, and this is your flat shape. And at the corners, these are vertices, or you can say vertex also. Now the face meets at edges. You can see the face meets at edges. A cube has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 front, 4 back, 8, then 9, 10, 11, and then bottom here side 12. So 12 edges, and same way 8 vertices and 6 faces. Now the next shape is cuboid. A cuboid is a solid figure with 6 faces, which are all rectangles. So if you see the faces, it has 6 rectangular faces and 8 vertices, and also have 12 edges. Vertices means corners. Okay. Now you can see the shape here also. So you will feel that it is just equivalent to cube. But the difference is, in case of cube, all the edges of cube are equal. It has all the faces square. Whereas in case of cuboid, they are having faces of rectangles. So matchboxes, bricks, rooms, cupboards, your pencil box, or your classroom, all those are the examples of cuboid. Now children, see the third picture. This face is of cylinder. Now a rolling pin has a curved face. A curved face actually helps in rolling. And also it has two flat faces. You can see above also and below also, bottom base. So these are two flat faces, and it has one curved face and two flat faces and two edges, but these edges are curved one. Okay children, so two curved edges are there, but they are not having any corners. So a cylinder has one curved face, two flat faces, and each flat face meets the curved face along an edge. So it has two curved edges and it has no corners. So your rolling pin, batteries, all are the examples of cylinder. See this shape children, this is a cone. Examples of cone you can see in your birthday parties, your ice creams. They are all having conical sides. Your party hats, so a three-dimensional shape made up of a circular base, you can see here, and a curved surface. So a cone has one edge, that is one curved edge, one flat face, and one corner, or you can say vertex. So one curved face, one flat face, one edge, and one corner. Now the next shape children, you can see this shape is called as sphere. So it is just like looking like a circle or oval, but it is not that, it is sphere. Now marble, sphere, even your earth, it has a spherical shape. So they roll very easily. Why they roll easily? Because they are having one curved face. This one curved face, your football, all these are examples of sphere. Now a perfectly round three-dimensional shape like a ball, which is having one curved surface, is called as a sphere. And a sphere has no edges, no corners, no flat faces. So because of these properties, you cannot stop them from rolling. So you can see here, zero faces, zero edges, and no corners. Now it's a homework time children. Before giving homework, what we have discussed today, let us see that. We discuss about points. What is a point? That it gives only a position that does not have length or thickness. Then we discuss about lines and kinds of lines. We also discuss about line segment. Then we discuss about flat shapes and solid shapes. Now the different kinds of flat shapes are square, rectangle, uh, circle, triangle, and we learned about their properties. Same way, solid faces or solid shapes, different type of solid shapes are cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, and sphere. So we discuss about all this. So now the homework is that you have to draw all the shapes of plane figures and solid figures in your copy, and you mention their properties also. And children also try to solve exercise 11. I hope you have understood it. With this, thank you.